Good day, science enthusiasts!
And welcome to this another episode of
Science Show!
I am Maria Cristina Ablao,
And I am Shane Texter Pasucal.
and we are your science instructor for today. For today's discussion, we are going to tackle about craters and meteorite. Have you ever heard someone say that moon is made up of cheese? Even though craters on the surface of the moon resemble holes in Swiss cheese, we know that this common myth is not true. Now, let us find out how craters are formed and why they are in different sizes by doing this simple science project.
So our objective for this project is we will investigate how the size of the meteor is related to the size of the crater it makes upon impact.
Isn't it interesting? Are you guys excited? Let's begin!
The materials to be used for this project are the following. Different size objects that are nearly spherical such as tennis ball, billiard ball, and roundish fruit such as apple. Next is ruler, cardboard box, flour at least 10 pounds, cocoa powder, flour sifter, lab notebook.
Step 1. In your lab notebook, make a data table like Table 1. A. Be sure to include the types of objects that you will be testing.
Step 2. Using a ruler, measure the diameter of each of your nearly spherical object. The diameter is the distance across the middle of the sphere.
Step 3. Prepare your meteorite landing area. A. Slowly pour a 10 pounds bag of flour into the cardboard box. Shift the box from side to side to evenly distribute the flour. The flour should be a depth of at least 5 cm in your box. Use a sifter or sieve to add a thin layer of cocoa powder.
Step 4. Now drop one of your meteorites into the box by holding the objects out of arm's length over the box and letting it go. Use the ruler to make sure you drop the meteorite from the height of 50 cm above the floor.
Wow!
Step 5. Carefully remove the object without disturbing the crater.
Step 6. Repeat steps 4 to 5 2 more times using the same object. Remember to drop the meteorite the same way, which is 50 centimeters above the floor. Step 7. Measure the diameter of the first crater by measuring the distance across the center of the depression in the floor. Step 8. Repeat step 7 for the 2 other craters, writing each measurement in the data table.
Step 9. Calculate the average crater diameter by adding up to 3 measurements and then dividing your answer by 3. Write the answer in your data table.
Step 10. Prepare your box for the next meteorite.
Step 11. Repeat steps 4 to 10 for all of your objects, each time recording the diameter of the 3 craters and the averages in the data table in your lab notebook. A. Be sure to always drop the meteorites the same way and from the same height so that your results are accurate.
If you look at our results and analyze it, it shows that the smaller objects creates a smaller crater, while the bigger objects creates a bigger crater. Therefore, we can say that the size of the crater is closely relative to the size of the meteor.
And that will be all for our discussion for today.
I hope you enjoyed and learned something from that.
Thank you, class!